Good morning, good morning. Okay, so there we go. We are in business over here. Let's make that bed a little bit. Do. Okay, so good morning, hope you're doing well. Good morning, chat. Let me move everything here. Hope you are doing well on this beautiful day. Let me put it down. Okay, so welcome everyone. Let's get into this ASAP. So Tuesday over here, we have some Euro news in the morning, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and 10 a.m. for some Euro news. That's okay. That's not bad. Where else? GUP 10 to 15. We've got some GUP members speaking, and then we got job opening. So again, you know, not really too bad in terms of news, which is good. Makes life a little bit easier for us. Let me just take a look at all of the charts, just in case there's something going on in one of them more than the other. Yeah, EJ and GJ are the highs. I'll do Goldie then. Okay. So let's get into this. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Jackie. So you hope you're doing well. Okay, so in terms of the daily time frame, wow, Goldie closed bullish. Obviously, we still haven't closed above 1993, which is what I really want price to do, to then continue bullish to 2052. I think that would be great. Clearly not there yet, though, which is fine. So let's mark up our daily flips just so I can see the higher time frames on the lower time frames when I'm marking them out. Let's do this here. Okay, so the daily flip here, let me just lock that in. 4 hour time frame. Okay, so it looks like we closed above 1983, rejected, came back below. So still below this kind of 1984 area. Let's put this on here. Okay, good stuff. Let's take a look then at the hourly and the 30 minutes. So looking like, you know, since 2:30, we'll be ranging actually quite a lot here. Looking like we've had a double bottom, respecting Asian lows. That's not bad. That's not too bad. In terms of where we could potentially take trades, looking like the 15 had a big rejection wick, but looking like right here we do have a support. Okay, is it quite close to previous res? Yeah, I mean it is. You know, these wicks have already touched it. That's only 15 pips away. So I mean, what I'd probably want is a sell below 1973. Because if you get a sell below 1973, what do we have in terms of zones? Well, sorry, we've got a very clean candles here, clean candles down there. Obviously we have a little resistance there, we've got to go break even. Clean candles down there, clean candles down there. So realistically we should target back down to realistically, you know, these levels here. So that zone's pretty nice. I like that zone quite a lot, which would be great. Obviously there's loads of other areas I'd want to take sells as well. For example, I'd probably want to take sells below 1957. So there's a lot of selling opportunities later on, which will probably come towards the end of the week if we do reject the highs, but we are overall still pretty bullish. And yeah, so in terms of where I'd want to take buys, yeah, I mean, the good thing is now is that this zone here from there to there is not too bad anymore. This is pretty choppy. This is why I left it. So through NY session, I left gold buys here. This was too choppy for me. Looking like it's maybe getting a little bit easier to trade. We do have a 5-minute trend line that we seem to be respecting. So potentially buys above the 5-minute trend line could be realistic. Is there any areas where we could take sells? Nah, so this is all very, very choppy. I wouldn't want to take sells until we get below really these levels. So that is what I'll wait for. Well, I'm looking for buys in gold. Yeah, me too. I think potentially if we close back above 1980 on the 30-minute time frame to continue bullish to 1982, I think that would be pretty realistic for us. But yeah, realistically, this zone below in this area is very, very rangy, very choppy. So I wouldn't want to be taking sells in this area here. Okay. There we go. So yeah, that's potentially what I'm going to look for. Potentially maybe a 5-minute trend line buy if we can then reject. But obviously right now the 4 hours bearish. We're looking like we're coming back down here. Looking like we've got a double bottom and a double top. So quite interesting to see which one it will break. Let me just move that. Buys with 1985.2. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 15. Yeah, I think that could be good to get to 1988. Maybe potentially later on. That's probably going to be like a New York trade, eh? Above 1985. Every single time we push up hard. There's a little support there, so probably want it a little bit higher. Then continue back to the highs would be great success. $1985.78. Beautiful. So there we go. Pretty simple on Goldie. Looking like, you know, if we do get the sells later on, we'll have some nice selling levels. To be honest with you, this zone actually below here from I suppose the resistance is there though, that's the only issue. Yeah, I was thinking maybe you could take a sell there, but there's resistance there, could act as support. Means you can get a little bit in the choppier side. Yeah, I'd probably leave that. Oh my god. Okay, so in terms of the other pairs, let's take a look at GJ then. So Goldie looking like it's coming back down. Let's see how it reacts there. But as I said, the zone to the below that level isn't really the cleanest, which is fine. Can you check the 5-minute trend line for sells? Oh yes, good point. The only issue is we're at a big support. So yeah, for me, the trend line would have to start down here, and it would be either it'd be too flat, and here would be too steep. So yeah, when there's a trend line, when we're holding a support, yeah, we don't really need a trend line. We just need the zone break. But in terms of this zone below, as I said, it's just a little bit choppy here. So that is fine. Okay, let's take a look then. GJ looks sad today. Why does it look sad? So daily time frame is bullish. We're going to be nearly breaking the previous high already. Okay. Nearly breaking the previous high. In terms of where the daily should go, well, did we close above? We actually kind of did close above with the gap, which is interesting. So potentially fill these wicks and to continue to maybe 166,280 would be nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So yeah, looking like the 4 hours in a bit of a consolidation, you know, from this resistance and this support. Looking like we're just ranging this level, which is fine. Doesn't mean we can't take trades though. If there's some nice zones in there, we can potentially take some. GPY pairs look bad. Let's take a look. So get down to the lower time frame. Looking at Asian session kind of pushed up. Obviously at the moment we have a current resistance over here at 164,856. Okay, right there. In terms of anywhere else, we'll have to see. Yeah, I mean obviously a lot of traffic up here, so don't like any of the buys. In terms of sells, yeah, you're gonna be struggling with the sells as well until you get below this level. Really, there's quite a lot of traffic in these areas. So yeah, I agree. I think GJ looks a little bit shit here, to be honest with you. Still got obviously the sell zones like I've marked up in the past like 6 days or so below these levels, but for the most part we're at a high where the price action to the left hand side is not clean enough. So yeah, let's write this one on as well. Yeah, I think later on in the day yesterday there was some GJ sell off there at 3 o'clock, 3:30 was nice. I think some people took that trade. A little bit late, too late on for me on GPY, but it worked out nicely. What about 164526 for sells? There was traffic in low volume times, but not. But there, a lot of the time it rips. Yeah, I know what you mean. That is true, I suppose, but it's through the low traffic time. It was a little bit rangy. It was not too bad. I mean, here there was a little bit of a support and a resistance as well. So it didn't even move up at 8 o'clock time. The nicest. I think the zone will get quite small because if I mark up this resistance and support, so like there, and we got that there. That there, I think it's too choppy, to be honest with you. If we close above, let's take a look then. If we close above our high level here, let's take a look. So I mean, if you close above here, we're not too bad, pushing all the way up to 165,880. That's 38 pips. Is that where we're at the moment? Yes. Okay. Interesting. Potentially then above there. Let's take a look at 256 then. Is there anything there as well? No, there was resistance there. So yeah, potentially a buy above that line to get to 880 would be nice. Would be good. 165,519. Beautiful. So yeah, that's what we've got working over here. I think in this consolidation range right here, it's not really the nicest. So yeah. Another session where Asian moved quite a lot. Not bad, not bad. Calm it. Been hot for London, but I like how it's falling. I think gold's gonna flip bullish. Yeah, I mean, it's respecting the Asian lows again. We've been discussing this where when we hold the Asian lows, as long as we push above this level, we normally do get a drive. So on the 15-minute, depending on how you get a closure, you could potentially take the buys if you came back above here, because 1980.85 you can get to 1983. So I am going to still look at and maybe potentially take this trend line, as long as it respects that level. And yeah, that's what we're looking at here on Goldie. EJ is going to be probably very similar, yeah. So still haven't had those closures above these JPY pairs. That's why it's kind of struggling. It's right at the highs, so it's a dangerous area, man. As you saw yesterday with with Don, when you get up to the highs, it can just be a little bit of a pain in the ass with no retracements and levels where they're going to break. It's just a little bit hard to take. Let's take a look then. So yeah, same thing on an EJ than GJ, right? Needs closure below these levels for sells, closure below these levels for sells. Anything for buys is pretty much a no. This is not too bad. I still wouldn't say it was clean though. Another sell there, yeah. So at 3 o'clock, 3:30. There's some nice JPY sell-offs there. Beautiful clean candle. I had to sell. I was looking for sells below this level in NY. We just didn't really get it. We just messed around here. So yeah, nothing really much going on there, the EJ. So the only thing really is Goldie this morning. That's okay. Waiting for new 1 hour for gold sells. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at some charts over here. I'm still feeling a little bit under weather, to be honest, but I'm feeling a little bit better than yesterday because I'm not tired. But I still don't feel too good. So let's take a look. In either you're looking for buys above. For me, no. For me, it just looks, you know, draw your zone above. Rejection wicks, resistance, 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 resistance. I think it's too choppy for the buys, to be honest with you. And I think for the sells, you've got a resistance there, which is where you draw it on. The support there, which is good. You then have a support right there, resistance right there. Resistance there, resistance there. They're still quite small zones. I think the sells are probably easier than the buys. I still think it's maybe a little bit on the choppier side, if I'm honest. Let's take a look here on Goldie. Buys above. So for me here, yeah, I think the buys above 1982. I think it was there. It could be alright to 1985. Sells below 1971. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think 73 is not too bad. The reason why I draw it there, because on the 30-minute you might not be able to see, but there was resistance here. This is the main level. I can see it was there as well. And then we've wicked to these levels every time, so there's obviously a level there. You look on like the 15-minute, and you can see it kind of makes sense. We've tapped into them levels. So that's what I can see anyway. Well, the reason for taking 50-minute trades instead of 30 in some trades, when the 15s close very strong on gold, they seem to still work. They've still got a high win rate. On GJ and EJ though, however, they seem to be not the best. Max, what do we need to make new analysis? Wait, Max, do we need to make new analysis every morning? You don't have to. It's just what people are doing, because I've said to them I'm going to give £200 worth of cash if people send me good charts and stuff like that. I'm going to pick 2 people. So yeah. As 4 hour close back into the range, looking for gold potential fill yesterday's range. Yeah, if you get further below, I think it could be good. Yeah, let's take a look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hour, yeah, we've closed back in the zone. Depends if you start making these supports, but yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so potentially the sells, and obviously you're looking for buys above 1993. I think it might be alright, but it's still, again, it depends how far it's pushed, right? Yeah, the reason why I didn't really like the buys yesterday is just because we were overextended on the gold with not one retracement yet. You know, we went up 280 pips with not one retracement. I was never buying the high there. I don't know. But yeah, looking like maybe a retracement now, which is good, to then potentially continue further. I still think could be pretty realistic. Good job. Sells below on gold. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Maybe a little bit lower, depending on the closure. You know, if you get a strong closure, then it's all good. Got a 5-minute trend line on. I think they've drawn it on the 15, but yeah, buys with that resistance. Yeah, I think that you can get maybe the entry a little bit earlier on at 1982, which would be great. Sells below 1975. Yeah, beautiful stuff. Well done. Beautiful. See, for me here and this one, there's just way too much traffic. Get your hour over and go right. I want to take a buy, right? Resistance is there. A lot of rejection wicks there. So if I start coming back up, I'm gonna clearly have some trouble there. There's a support there. There's a resistance right there. There's a resistance there. This area gets very, very choppy. So I'm not really a fan of that one, to be honest with you. So yeah, you can see for people here as well. Yeah, don't really like the buys. Sells below. Yeah, you could be alright for the sells below there, actually, and just go break even at them levels there. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too shabby. Yeah, so I think sells below 1976. I think you just need to move it a little bit lower. You still got a support there, still got the wicks. Yeah, look to the left hand side with the resistance on the 30-minute, and I'll draw it on there. Like what I've done. Let's take a look at this one. Buys was 165,250. Yeah, we've kind of discussed that. Looks good to continue to 550 and then 800. Wouldn't be too bad. Sells below 600. See, for me here, it's, you know, it was clean there, but it needs to kind of match up with everything. What actually happened before? Get your arrow out again. Look over, right, we had support, which is fine. That's one that you don't want to break. We have a resistance right there, which was through, you know, late on in the day, which is fine. You have support there. You have support there, support there, support there, rejections. So I think it needs to be much lower, this sell line. Either there, or not at all, I think. So yeah. So yeah, let's take a look here. Yeah, it looks good for marking your zones. Yeah, I think that's much better. Very nice, very nice. Looks good, looks good, looks good. I'm still on side play, but this is my view on gold for MT5. We'll buy above 1985 and sell below 1975. Beautiful. Very, very nice. EJ looking for just a closure above resistance. Yeah. Playing it safe. I don't think there's any buys in that area. Back up to 146. That'll be a good psychological level. So yeah, we're looking good, man. We're looking good. How is this Goldie doing? Still holding this support. Very interesting. So if we get a closure like above there, how much my stops be? Yeah, like 34 pips. We get like 34 to the high of that zone. Fair dues. Fair dues. I'm just gonna write a little signal here just in case it runs as quicker and I don't have much time to get it on. Ah, it's the same. The signal that I wrote yesterday is literally the exact same one that I want to do today. Very nice. So yeah, guys, hope you're doing well. Hope your first day in the month was decent. I took it really easy, to be honest with you. I was feeling pretty damn ill. I slept pretty much the whole day after NY session. Just felt awful. So yeah, just feeling much better now, which is good. Oh, Jacob's in the building. Very, very nice. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So, let me just get this on here. So yeah, it's coming towards 7 o'clock now. Right, 15 seconds left. Is there anywhere we could take trades right now? No. Of course there's not, right? There's nothing much at the moment. That's fine. In terms of, you know, what happened with March, yeah, we had a trade in the first, trade in the third, and we had little breaks, so there's no rush. You need to remember that. There's times where loads of trades come, and times where not so many. Just gotta relax it. What did Bitcoin do as well? Has Bitcoin done anything? Still hovering around 28, isn't it? Yeah. Still hovering around for the time being. Not bad, not bad. Let's take a look. Look at Dogecoin. Oh, I need to. Goldie's coming back down. Yeah, still a lot of traffic down here, so taking the sells for me here would be pretty risky. There's not really the cleanest zone. Maybe get to 1976 if it's pushing it, but not too much. Just need the sells a little bit lower. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I think below there would be fine. 94.56. Sorry, 74. I think that would be great. Yeah, I might go to the cinema tonight. Actually, I might go and watch maybe the John Wicks. Oh, another scammer on Instagram. Too many scammers on Instagram. Just gonna get this guy. Why has he just copied all my stuff again, man? These people, bro. There we go, block. Also, be careful about a stop loss matters on Discord. There's some guy trying to fucking scam people. I'm not speaking on Discord at all, to be honest. So, if someone's messaged on Discord, it ain't me. It's not me, boy. Oh, they done another new thing. Or was that the latest one? Ah, yeah. Your mic is getting cut out. Oh, we'll see. I'll see where it came from. We're gonna break the lows. Yeah, we may break the lows. Or we may not. It's held that support pretty hard, to be honest with you. It's held it pretty hard. Look at that reflip, bro. Damn. Look at that reflip. There's kind of none of that. So yeah, I mean, you know, what would I want in this trade? It'll be kind of a W formation as well. Well, maybe a triple W, but a closure above like that. Lower wick flip. Stop loss below. I'd want to take. Because obviously overall direction is still bullish, heavily bullish. Holding the support through Asian session. If you do hold it and start to break above the current res, we do normally get a nice push. Where would you get to? Well, 1983 would be my target, probably. Right at that support. You saw Twitter change logo to Dogecoin? Oh god, no. What's Elon done now? What's he doing now, man? Is he gonna make that the currency or something? He definitely is, isn't he? He's definitely bought a shitload of Doge with Twitter, and now gonna implement it and push the price up.
He tweets so much. It's insane.
I bet that's what he's done, you know, though, because obviously they need it. They need some more funds to it. I bet he's just bought a shitload of Dogecoin. He's put it as the logo, pumped the price up, sell it, and he's just made a quick fucking billion. Let's take a look at Twitter.
Imagine if you could just affect price of markets.
I know.
They don't need to give me the responsibility.
Did you put it on like what did it look like? Did it? Oh, my god. I think that's just the meme ones there before. Can we have an issue at 1942.5? I think you mean 1982.5. Yeah, we can. That's where I'd be break even. Yeah, that's where I'd be break even. 16 pips. What the fuck? God, Chelsea are in the mud, man. Chelsea are in the fucking mud. Tell you that right now. It's not looking good, bruv. Do you like how the cells look on gold? No. I do not. Cells look shit until you get below 1974.6. Then you've got a clean zone. But right below here is not good at all. Those were like 40%. Fuck hell. Really? Nice little 40% bag, not bad. Yeah, he's definitely going to implement it some way then, isn't he? Why did we start earlier than usual? This is when I normally start. It's just yesterday I had to sort out my people in the gaff. I normally start at 6:30. I check the chart at 6 and see if there's anything there, and then I'll go back to bed until 6:30 if there's nothing there. Wouldn't you count on volume and momentum? Wouldn't you count on volume and momentum though? No. Nope, nope, nope.
I randomly woke up at like 3 a.m. and I saw the 30-minute closure on gold. Almost wanted to get in.
Over there.
Yeah. But I was like, I'm not gonna fuck up my night because I won't sleep anymore.
Yeah, that's true. It took a while, didn't it? A couple of 30-minute. Oh no, a couple of 50-minute candles. Yeah. Can you peep USD chuff buys? Oh, can you just send me a chart, my man? I'll take a look at it. I'm bored, about to buy some Doge. So yeah, the people that say, wouldn't you count the volume? It's like, nah, bro, this is an area of rejection. Clearly, obviously rejection as well. It's not a little bit of a rejection. It's loads. Four hours flip bullish. This 15 is closing in 5 minutes time. Double whammy. So it held that support 3 times. This candle pushed down, reflipped pretty aggressively as well. So it is a very, very strong support here. Very strong support. Got my cup of tea in the morning. Hope you guys have got some coffee. I need to get another coffee after this. Nice little coffee. Yeah, there's a new coffee place that opened up downstairs and it tastes unreal. Proper strong, nice smooth. Bloody gorgeous. How long got left? Yeah, so we've got 4 minutes left for this 15 to close. Have you moved to the hostel looking place yet? What? Hostel? Yesterday's gold trade was amazing. Yesterday gold just ran, man. Gold ran the whole morning. Mad. Pushed all the way. It was madness. Started to relax at like 1:30, but it made sense because it pushed up so much through the morning. It's gotta retrace at some point, you know. I was able to see the trend setting in on gold, but I messed up my trade, managed it too early and lost 0.5. I think yeah, I think one of our people did that as well. I think was it this 15-minute here? Did you take this buy there? Oh wait, it might be on the 30. That one there. Stop loss below. I think a lot of people took that one. Yeah, you gotta remember it's very counter trend there, and the amount of wicks that price likes to make before it pushes is pretty extreme. I was discussing that, like how the 15s here, you know, we had a massive push down, then we just ranged. Gotta really wait for a big rejection and a big closure. So that one there was alright. But realistically, the only buy that I wanted to take, which I couldn't take because I was busy, was this one here. The 11 o'clock buy. Because it closed above support. And we pushed clean off that level every time. Where do I send my chart? Just send it here, man. But don't send me the whole thing. Just send me the last kind of bit of the link, because it doesn't put the addresses in. Very nice, Tommy boy. Also been thinking that those wicks were picking up liquidity to drive up. Yeah, they were, but it was very counter trend at the time, and it's hard to find when it really does start to change directions. Better to wait maybe a little bit further up. My only issue for it was that it was still counter trend. It was still bearish, right? You know, I had a high here, and then I made a low. This is a higher low. Sorry, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what I expected was the price to come back up here, find resistance, continue to make another lower low. That only changed when it broke this high, because then that's bullish structure changing. Wait for a retest, wait for some support forming, close bullish, then pew. It was bloody awesome. Looking like goalie's rejecting again a little bit. So yeah, I mean, below 1974, we're gonna have a great trade. Just gotta wait in this consolidation for the time being. You sound like Fuse from Apex Legends. Oh, I don't know which one that is. That max goal, you're putting barcodes in the 1 hour? Yeah, but it's a better, man, because when it breaks pretty hard. He's not. He's not. I will go play some CSGO while I wait. Very nice. I heard there's CSGO 2 coming out. Pretty cool. I was playing a little bit of Dead by Daylight last night. Oh, mates. I like a bit of Dead by Daylight. That shit's scary, though. Did Wixie take a trade last night? Looks like he did. Okay, just get break even. Okay, just got break even. We got 10 pips. Nice. Oh yeah, can't wait for CSGO 2. Yeah, that'd be fun. That would be hella fun. Like, probably they've changed stuff with the smoke. I haven't even seen any of the gameplay yet. So, or anything else. I want to see what's that Mario review. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a kids one, but still kind of want to go see it, to be honest. Where's the review? Chris Pratt's in it as well. Chris Pratt's Mario, I think. Are you gonna give me the review or? Where's the fucking? Look at the animation for this. It looks ridiculous. Max, isn't gold choppy on the left above 1980? I mean, it was here. But I think in terms of current price and the way that we're holding resistance, you know, we pushed up cleanly here. Pushed up cleanly here to this level there. I still think it's worth it to get there. That zone's like 20 pips. So I think we can still squeeze it out. I've been stocking up on skins. Max, have you watched Saw? Nah. I don't think I have. How are you, Max? Woke up to say hi. Hello, hello. I'm very, very good. Feeling much better than I was yesterday. Yesterday I felt disgraceful. I felt very, very ill. And with a lack of sleep. So I slept a lot yesterday. Yeah, looking like the chart's maybe a little bit slower compared to yesterday at the moment, but it's still only 7:15, which is good. I've been stocking up on the skins. Yeah, that was good. I think the price will double when CS2 releases. Ah, it's a good idea. It's a good little trade. A little CSGO investment. Very nice to see. CSGO investment. Charts, please give me trade before London Open. I've got college. I haven't taken many trades recently. We've been waiting patiently. Yesterday, I should have taken 2 trades yesterday, but man, I was not on full cylinders yesterday. Yeah, we're on a little 3-win streak at the moment. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, looking like right now, especially in the lower time frames, JPY pairs just at the highs. I absolutely despise. If you go in any simulation session, buying highs on GJ or JPY pairs is always painful. So for me, it's no go at all. I'd rather it break up itself, make some support, and then actually buy some there. No point doing it. So looking like it's respecting it again. My God. Beautiful stuff. 39 likes. Yeah, guys, make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We are loving this Q2 already. I mean, it's my favorite quarter as well, which is good. And yeah, yesterday we went through the trade reviews from last month. Overall, pretty decent though. Pretty decent in terms of the trades. A lot of the trades though, maybe I could have ran a little bit longer on the zones with this high volume, but overall, really decent. So we've got 9 minutes left in this closure. It'll be 2 minutes. Just gonna quickly go for a WAS. 2 minutes. Still hovering around here at the moment. That's good. That's good. Ooh, look at the 15 minutes making a little bit of rejection there. See if we can break this support. That'd be interesting. Obviously not for me, but just in terms of momentum for maybe the session starting, that would be good for sells below. Where would it go break even if we did close below? It would be there, right? Because that is where first level of support is. I mean, there's a little one there, but for the most part, we've made the support there, which would be fine. And that's also the wick fill there. Yeah, that's nice. I'll be entering once it closes below. Very nice. How's EJ doing as well? Yeah, still sitting around there. Nothing too much. Nothing too much, guys. It's a nice Tuesday morning though. I'm gonna have to decide if I want to go to the gym or not. I'm still not feeling 100%, but I may have to force myself to go to the gym so I don't get them DOMs. Just not feeling like ass. I can't believe Chelsea sacked that thing. Chelsea's owner is fucking on one. He's mad. I like buys if there's a shift in momentum. Yeah, go gym, you'll feel better. That's true. Just get it done. I think that's what I'll do. It makes sense that we correct some of the move from yesterday. Does it? Still pretty damn bullish. I think if you come below, but I mean, if you're looking to take sells below here, and you're not seeing this, I don't know what to tell you. You're gonna be in some serious gold L's this year. A lot of traffic there, so for me, no go. We've been at this level since 3 o'clock. It's been here for 4.5 hours. So when it pops, it will pop pretty hard, which is good. In terms of potentially maybe the buys or the sells if you get a little bit further below. It's collecting orders, yes. Maybe fake out buys would be sexy. For what? For Goldie. Oh, like if it comes down and closes back above, yeah. Yeah, that could be quite nice. Like dips in that area like it does here and start to push, that'd be quite good. A lot of good opportunities. Right, I'm gonna kind of sick of these songs, but I just don't want the reason why I don't play normal music is the live stream gets copyrighted, but it gets copyrighted so much so that it gets blocked, so people can't even look at it. People have sold there. Well, hopefully none if they fucking listen. But like, I know for a fact some people took sales there. But it's like, you know, it's just not there, brother. It's not there, brother. Wait for a 50-minute closure? Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close, yeah. Just because it's closing in 4 minutes time. If you get a closure above there, we're good. We're still in this resistance area, we're still not pushed above it, so yeah. Yeah, me too. Oh, la la la. Goldie. Goldie, relax. Goldie, relax, bro. Stops, yeah, we may have to manually do some stops over here. I'd probably put my stop loss just in the zone. So the 5-minute trend line, you know, it didn't really close above, but it closed above the trend line, but not really above the resistance. That's fine. A lot of volume coming in, which is good. Yeah, the 15 flip. I was thinking maybe getting on the 30-15 flip because it's such a big rejection, but 2 minutes left for this closure. Yeah, 1982 is a small rejection. Yeah, exactly. It was made at 8 o'clock, so I'm not really asked, you know. As long as we don't really close, maybe there. I mean, even if we close above, it's still okay. Maybe getting on the retest? Yeah, potentially. We'll see. Retest of that zone. Put my stop loss like there. I don't need to do this extra bit, right? If we start coming below there, it's not going to be a vibe. We shouldn't really come back below there. I'd probably put my stop like 1977.8. EJ still at the highs. Okay, so new candles opened. Gonna wait for maybe a little bit of a lower wick over here. So yeah, in terms of stops, obviously in the previous candle, they're huge, like 50 pips. So realistically, I've got to get this retest. Stop loss to be like 30 pips. So you can see here there's rejection wicks there, so hopefully we can come and retest that level. That would be beautiful for us. Yeah, GG and that, not doing too much yet. Look like this is just gonna push. It's annoying, man. The stops are just a little bit too wide. I needed that retest to come back down to these levels here. Could you have taken it there? Yeah, you could have. But I really wanted to come back down to that zone. And now we're flying! Let's take a look here. Are you getting in on the flip? No, because the stop loss is too big. If I got in on the flip there, my stop loss is 40 pips. The zone is maybe 40 if you push it. I want this to come retrace a little bit more. realistically, we should get down to this level here, 1980.84. Golly, give me an entry, you cunt! How long we got left for the 8 o'clock? Yeah, we got 12 minutes or so. This setup is usually worth on GJ, yeah. Looking like the 4 hours making some support, so yeah, it looks good. I just really need this to get me a bit more of an advantage for the stops. Right now, if I entered, the stop loss would be 40 pips. $40 is fine though. But I can get it a little bit lower. I can get like 30 pips if I get in there. Maybe just wait for the 30 to close. Yeah, I mean, the only issue is we may just miss the move. Come on, push down a little bit further, you prick. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna over here get into a buy stop on this flip right now, guys. So I've taken a trade over here. I feel for me here the stop loss is gonna be, you know, right around the, let's take a look. Yeah, 37 pip mark, but I think this zone above can be pretty nice, right? So TP1 is gonna be 1985 at this resistance, coming towards these levels here. And actually the second one is going to be at 1990. Beautiful. Because this is just a 15-minute closure, clean candles. Rather get in than not and miss it. So we'll see. 15 minutes gonna wait till closure. Yeah. The only issue that I have is I feel that this could push before the closure, and then you'll be way far too gone. That's all. So yeah, stop losses 1977, 85. Beautiful. So yeah, we break even right around it, 1983. This was just traffic through Asian session. That's fine. So yeah. How come you didn't wait for the retest? I don't think we're going to get it. I think we're too bullish. Should have really got it on the first little push there. So, yeah. push, damn you. How will I manage? Well, if like the 15 closes bearish in the zone, then I'll probably manage there. Yeah. Stop loss is 1978. Yeah, I'm putting it below the zone. This is zone. If you break that zone, we're not going to be looking too good. So it's shrinking to my stop a little bit. Yeah. Okay, yeah, 1 second. Cheers, Totty. Max, you're not worried about 1982? No, not really. It's just an Asian session level. Like right at the 8 o'clock where there's no volume. I'm okay with that. Oh, my monitor for extra volume. What's GJ doing? Coming up a little bit. TP, so I really want to fill this whole range really to 1985, this kind of area up here. Yeah. 1985.5 area. We'll get a glass of agua, be 2 minutes. You speak Spanish, Max? No. A little bit of Spanish, but only like a couple words. Big España. Not like vamos a la playa. So we've got 2 minutes left. London volume's going to kick in. GJ buys looking better. Ugh, really? What are you looking at? You tell me. What, because you have one bullish closure closing above resistance? Look at all this traffic, man. Nasty. What about French? Yeah, a little bit of French as well. Cool words. Flip with the daily high and GJ. Yeah, broke daily highs, which is good. A little bit of German. Probably, yeah, and a little bit of German as well. A little bit of German. So closing in a minute's time. All I really need is that 30-minute to close above this resistance. $265 people. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already.
It's a very nice candle.
Yep.
On 30 minutes.
Oh, yes. Okay, 8 o'clock is opened. Closed bearish, but not really below my level. That's fine. 30 minutes still closed bullish. Just has to make this little low wick. KSI got cancelled. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Saw that. There's the retest. So 30-minute close bullish. Yeah, I'd probably get the retest there if I wasn't in already. At what point would you start managing risk if the 30 closes bearish below? Yeah. Fighting myself not to pull another buy. Nah, you're already in it, bro. GJ closed above. Nice. Flip your ass, boy. Choose 7. So flipping the candle, good stuff after the retest. Your spread bad? You get a bad spread today? Would you make for GJ? GJ is not in a clean zone, man. It's not even got any clean counts to mirror at all at the moment. Like, look at the choppiness, man. It's gold. We've got at least this clean candle here to get to this support. 1983.6. So yeah, we'll just see over here. Dum, 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 dum. So can you see here struggling at the moment, and GJ and EJ there, levels. Right at resistances. Let's take a look here. 282 people here. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to do so. Make sure to tap that like button. Pump it louder. It's 5 minutes doing the retest of that level at the moment. Still only 5 minutes into the candle. What's the purpose of the great indicator that you're using? It shows me the Asian range. Yeah, it shows me the Asian range. Helps out a lot for fake outs. Like there could be a fake out here in a second on EJ and GJ. Yeah, I just like seeing the Asian highs and stuff. Damn, 57 people in here. Shit, 59 people in the Zoom. 59 people. $59 people. Personal best? Yeah, I think so. So back into profit now a little bit. But as I say, you know, you don't get emotional in the drawdown. You don't get emotional when you're in the profit. You just take the trades you normally take. Don't get worried about it. The best way to be. If you want to have emotions, then go to a casino. Go to a casino. So on the 30, the resistance is, yeah, like 1985, which is decent. Nyam! Give it the rockets! I went to the casino today. Long. I stay consistently emotional.
If price closes above, it's pretty low.
Yeah. Break of the previous 15 will, yeah, exactly. Just got to get there first. Fucking push. You push it the wrong way. We broke the highs 2 times. Come on, Goldie. Nah, I didn't break the previous highs though. That's what we've got to wait for. Feel like it's struggling in 1982. Yeah, a little wicks there, but I think with the volume we'll get to at least 83. And overall, like the flipping the daily would be nice. Yeah, exactly. So coming back into the zone, 15's got 4 minutes left. See how that closes, depending on the closure. We'll see. Obviously, it's just the hourly retesting though, so still got a lot of time. GJ's reflipping. No. So yeah, we'll see how the 15 closes, as I said. Oh, that's stiff, boy. If you look on the 15, there's a lot of wicks here that it comes and respects. So it is a big level here, which is good. But yeah, I mean, all I would say is, especially when you're in a trade and you're in drawdown, the only thing you got to think about is how to manage risk. So that's all you're going through your head, right? When it's in the red, think about how you can manage risk well. See how the 15 closes. If 15 closes like down there, then probably would manage. The moment we're still at this level where we can still respect. So most of the time, I'm probably just gonna wait for the 30 to close over here. I don't mind it because the hourly do makes low wicks. Look, we're going to be in a range. There's just so much volume on that last candle. I just can't see us coming back in this zone for much longer. We're only in like 7 pips drawdown, so it's not like it's a lot. Stop loss is 40 pips away. So at what point to manage risk? When the 30 closes bearish below 1980.97 is when I'd probably manage. Yeah, I took 50% off when the previous 50 broke the low. Fair enough, fair enough. Good stuff. That was in your plan to do so. Amazing. Amazing. Even if you had entered later at the 3 minute flip, then she would have been the same. Exactly. Exactly. "15-minute closures will decide what I will do." Yeah, it's closing in 20 seconds time. Yeah, as I say, I mean, as Don says, everyone says, you know, don't get emotional in the trades that you're in. You know, you're taking them trades for a reason. Don't get emotional when they win. Don't get emotional when they don't. Just take the trades, boy. Yeah, 50-minute close rejected again, so I'm still happy with this trade. Still making the low wick of the, you know, the hourly, so it's fine. Just gotta break that high. GJ's stuffing around. What's your win rate? So far this year, the win rate has been 73%. 72.8. And my R to R has been around about the 1-to-1. Yeah. So you do the maths, boy. How many years? So then after we'll play maybe a game of Wordle, be a bit of maybe max consecutive L. Wait, what? Oh my, max consecutive L's? Like 3 L's, but 3 L's that we managed really well. Yeah, I think I took 3 L's. Maybe in February. Oh no, it was in January maybe. Yeah, there. But managed well, you know. I lost only 2% really. 2.3% or something on it. Not bad. I keep switching strategies. Just go backtest them. Backtest it. Stop switching. If you had confidence in the strategy and you know it works over a year, you wouldn't be switching. It's just because you don't backtest. How many years did it take to lock your strategy? Oh, well, when I found Raja, so yeah, like 4 years. 3-4 years. So some people are managing risk if the 15 breaks the low. There. Fair enough, fair enough. I still have confidence in this. I still gotta wait for this 30 to close, I think. Close at break even. Don't know why this 15 isn't breaking the high. Yeah, that's still got time. It's only had 80 minutes into this hourly, so it's still got a lot of time to do so. You got a lot of time. Yep, still got loads of time. Time's on our side. just be careful of managing risk too aggressively. It's for me, once that 30-minute close, it's based on the 30-minute time frame and the hourly. So it's 15 just fugazi. Does not want to break that high though. Not yet anyway. Let's take a look here. IFS below the 5. It's fucking with his call, Roger. Roger, turn the volume up. He's like, bro, I'm at Mecca, man.
Did you see his Instagram stories?
Yeah.
Fucking insane, man.
Yeah. It's huge.
At least 1 million people there.
It is so many. Especially like this holy time as well, innit? It's Ramadan, so it'll be fucking rammed. Especially London volume, Just no push yet. Still got time now. Still got 10 minutes left for this 30. So for people that are going to manage in the 15, you're going to manage very soon. If it goes back in the range below, yeah, that's when I'll manage risk. If the 30-minute close is below in the zone, I'll manage. Eight minutes time. Remember, I do percentage risk, so I only lose 1.4 if this hits the low there. So a lot of areas to manage, which is good. Which is great success. You should grow a $30 account on YouTube to motivate us with small accounts, bro. I did that on my Instagram. I wonder if I deleted it though. I don't know. I did $100, £100 for like 3 months. Max messaged Brian and tell him to move the markets.
It's actually crazy that we had that much volume and now we just died.
Yeah. Hope is not yet left yet. Still okay.
I think it's still good, to be honest.
Yeah, it just takes its time. These trades do take a lot of time though, especially the ones where you want it to drive all the way up. They do take a little bit of time. They don't just push straight away. A closure below a zone with like proper clean candles, it just flies. But ones like these, they take more time. But I know when this starts pushing, we can hold this on for quite a long time. So it was worth it.
Are you only taking profit the TP one?
Yeah, depending on how it pushes. If it pushes any further, then I may hold even further. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it pushes. If we do push.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it with you because I've been closing too early, right? The whole time.
5 minutes still respecting our previous level, which is good. It's just not breaking that fucking highs yet.
Maybe 30 minutes salary.
Yep. Yep. Do. So yeah, I got 5 minutes left. GJ looks interesting. So GJ did continue. How did it continue? 15 close bearish. Yeah, it wasn't the nicest. I still don't think it's nice for me. The amount of times I've seen these buys of highs don't not work out on Sims. It's just too many. Where did the volume go? I don't know. Look at the low time frames. Yeah, it's still kind of just ranging in this area at the moment. You gone to the pub? Yeah, volume's gone for a little drink. Also, when it breaks, yeah, and it comes higher up, 100%. I hope a lot of people will need a drink after this trade. Break you in a GJ tough area, yeah. Then hit TP, yeah. It took its time, but that's the issue, right? It's like, you know, can it still run? Well, yeah, you know, it's breaking the highs, breaking Asian highs, but if the zone's not clean, there's more chance of me just getting a break even. So, you know, if I'm gonna get a break even 80% of the time, and then 10% of the time I'm going to lose, and 10% of the time I'm going to win. There's just no point taking it, you know. Trader already looking at other. When you're already in one trade, are you looking at others? Not really. No, I would never really enter unless I was in profit, you know. I wouldn't really look at another trade until then because I wouldn't be able to manage properly and properly keep an eye on it. I think this is the candle pattern that Brian talks about in session as well. 3 down and then 1 up. So so that'll be good as well. Has a bit of a relax, brings the volume back in, retest the level. So we'll see. Yeah, at the moment. Is it a thing? Yeah, it's just a pattern that seems to happen quite a lot when you've got direction, yeah. On which time frame? 1 minute got a bullish flag pattern. There is this guy, and usually that trades that a lot. Ah. Here we go. Just saw a little bit of volume kick in there. Do 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 do. So Goldie closed bearish, but closed above, so it's still good. Hourly time is still respecting, so still giving it more time. My time is 5 minutes ahead from yours. What? GJ hits break even and continues to my TP. Yeah, that's what you do. Play with a choppy zone, man. The zone's choppy. So what I'll do now is wait for a 15. If the 15 closes below, then I'll probably just close here. No top wick yet. On the 30. If this candle as well, if this kind of reflips, comes to the highs, comes to there, then I'll move my stop loss there. Low. I think we gotta bring the Gulag King back. That's kind of was making me eternal. I got stuffed out. Why you got a sad face for? You know, you managed it like that on purpose, you know? Good management. What did you lose? Like 13 pips, your stop loss is 40. It's good risk management. No top wick in the 30. Yeah, exactly.
I almost got stopped out.
Oh.
My stop loss is 90. Wait. 79.88.
Yeah, it's close.
Let me not laugh too much before it stops me out. So. Sometimes it's like they listen.
It's weird when we don't have a wick. Yeah, well, it's still got a good percentage chance to get it, so. And obviously if this breaks, then we should come down further, then I'll have a sell on gold anyway there, so that wouldn't be too bad either. If it it does continue down. So like if this candle reflips, I'll move my stop loss to that low. You shouldn't go re-break it. Would you take the fake out sells? Nah, it's not really like a high. No, I wouldn't. Candle hasn't made a top wick yet. Yeah, exactly.
Survived. Or no?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Do 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 do. This is going to be a 13-hour trade. Maybe it's going to be 30 minutes salary play, potentially. Mainly focus on how to manage here, but yeah, I'm going to wait for this 15 to close. 9 minutes left.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do. 5 minute could go down, 5 more pips to retest the trend line. Yep. What is this salary play? It's when it breaks the previous high of a bearish candle if you're bullish. So yeah, reflipping the 4 hour. Coming back down to the lows. Interesting. Wow, if we break these lows, yeah, obviously this zone for me is going to be a no trade zone, but below would be nice. 1974 if you get there. Gold is dying. Yeah, gold lost all volume, especially with the rejection we had here. The closure above on the 30-minute time frame. It was beautiful stuff. Still no top wick on the 30 yet. Still has a good chance of making one. It's just how far do you want to push down, Goldie? Obviously, I know it's a huge support, so that's great. We just gotta wait over here. Let's take a look at the EJ. GJ came. Not good volume today. Not yet. But in terms of candles before, I mean, what else do you want more for a candle like that? Rejecting the Asian lows, closing bullish, clean candles to 1983. 82 may have been the level, but for me, it was just much later on. I'm still happy with. Let's take a look. Don't know if you remember saying you use 2-hour time rate on an open. Sometimes max. Look at the 2 hour how clean it is. That's why I took the trade, but just break even, which is annoying. Yeah, the 2 hour was looking alright. Are you holding? Yes. Six minutes left at the 15. Is now a fake out if it's closing? Yeah, if the 30 closes, yeah. It'd be a fake out, but obviously the zone is pretty small, so you couldn't really take this the fake out back in the zone. Reclose if the 50-minute closes below. Yeah, I mean move it to that low. Yep, potentially. Plot twist if this current 30-minute just rockets upwards. If it reflips it, that'd be interesting. Goldie bias was a little bit bearish today. What? The daily closed bullish. Look how bullish we are. There's not one thing bearish about it. Yeah, the 4 hour came down, but we always have retracements at the start of the days. I still think we're still pretty bullish. GG, good stuff. How is there a bias? From the previous days, Hein, yeah, the previous days. Look how they closed, look at where we pushed to. We pushed all the way to 1990. Do, 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 do. Yeah, the GJ over here. Not bad. Warning, engine malfunction. The DK in the chat. Abort! Abort! So if I close, let's just take a look over here. If I close, my stop loss is 440, and I close here at like what? At 30. Yeah, sorry. Minus 30. Minus 1.1% gain. Sorry, minus 1% loss. Risking 0.35 more at the support. It's down to you, but I still think, 2 minutes left. We know that this level is very, very strong. We've just faked out of it before. So I think for me here, there's not much point in me managing risk. I think I'd rather lose the extra 0.3 to get to have the chance of reflipping this candle. Because this level was still so respected through the whole of 2 o'clock. Sorry, from 2 AM till 7. Yeah. I may just leave it over here. Should have entered GJ for me. Nah, GJ left hand side. Shocking, really. A lot of resistance there. You could have maybe got it to that resistance there and gone breaking, but some of the rejection wicks anyway. Re-enter full margin. Re-enter full margin! Quick go for a piss. As I said, I'm not going to manage. You guys can do so, but I'm just going to still hold it.
Look at GJ, bro. Just 1 minute candle. Look at GJ, man.
Whoa! Fucking hell. Beautiful. Helicopter, helicopter. EJ not doing so much though. Interesting. Why do I risk 1.4? Just that's just my comfort level. That's just where I've found comfort in it. Yeah. Still respecting the trend line. Will you close full when it comes back to entry? No, I still think it's good because the 30 minutes still hasn't closed below yet. If the 30 minute closes below, then yeah, I'll just close full. If you see the hourly closed above. It's coming back into that zone that it ranged in, but it held very hot strongly. So if this candle can reflip, we'll be okay. Dom, dom, dom. 30-minute flip though, yep.
It's a good call not to manage your risk as well. If you're so close to your stop loss.
Yeah. Exactly. So yeah, once we come up a little bit higher, maybe like 1980.9, I'm gonna move my stop loss to that low because yeah, we shouldn't break it. GBP going crazy? Yeah, shit's running. Shit's running. I wish Goldie was running the same as GJ. Okay, so move my stop loss over here to the low of this candle. Shouldn't come and re-break that candle, right? And I save myself, 40 pip stop down to 29. That's not bad at all. I'll wait for the 30 to move stops. Yeah, I just think if we re-break that low, we're gonna lose, right? We're gonna, you know. So I'd rather save myself the 0.4 there. Right now, we're so close to flipping. You know, if we flip, we're gonna be good, and you know, break the highs, we're gonna be good. But if we come back down now and break that low, you know, it's not looking good for us. So there you go, managed the trade, feel pretty good now. It's made the lower wick of the hourly, made the lower wick of the 30-minute. It's about to reflip over here, rejecting that zone. Hey Max, can you see the journal where are written all the trades? Yeah, bro. Just go to the chat, this one here, and go to the pinned message, and then the link is there. That one there. Yeah. Yeah, broski. So celery play, which is what I wanted. Break of the high, which is great.
Beautiful patience.
Sir. So can you see the hourly's reflipped now, rejected that level, so we should theoretically drive over here. Okay. Break-even point is going to be towards this area here, 1983.6. Let's go to this trend line. I'm not gonna rush to go break even because we've got the rejection we need, man. So I'm not, you know, I'm not already asked to go and break even yet. I'd rather let it just play out a little bit. Gonna be breaking previous 4-hour high. Down, 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 down. Okay, so chat, I'm gonna go break even over here. Stop loss to break even, risk-free trade. Let this shit rock. And there you go. So that's where you kind of get the patience, you know. You just focus on the charts, manage when you really need to. For me, you know, 30 minutes didn't close below, so I was okay with that. Dum 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 dum. Let's go here. Do 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 do. But do you see, I didn't get emotional. I didn't get vexed. I didn't do this like other people in the chat. I just stayed calm and just go for it, you know? Just passed my 50k now live. Beautiful. Did you take 80% off? No, because my R to R is off. I needed to fill this whole zone to get a good percentage gain, you know? You can take some off if you fancy it, but, you know, my stop loss is 40 pips. I'm only in, you know, I'm only in 17 pips profit. The highest was 22, so I'd only be making 0.7%. I really wanted to fill this zone a little bit higher up. On the 5-minute time frame, my entry is just below this 5, so that's great, you know. Should make a little wickier flip. If it breaks that low, I don't want to be in it anyway, you know. Actually, good 50%, the rest running. Very well done. This trade is sponsored by NASA. Closing stop loss. Yes, in the chat. Today was one of those days that if I went for Max's sweet voice telling us to be patient, I would have closed a stop loss. A trade and drawdown burns more calories in the gym. Yes. Goldie, sorry, GJ, yeah, coming back up. Goldie coming back down. It looks like. Market manipulators are watching the stream now. Ah, well, I caught them. I caught them. For the gym, to be fair. So I think looking back, what trade could I have probably taken? Maybe the reflip there. I think that was enough confirmation, potentially, but it just happened so quickly, you know. I really wanted that closure. Doom doom. You went bullish, very nice. Break even hit. Some people got some break evens over here. Hopefully I survived that wick. Every single time this GJ pushes, the gold goes down. Fuck off, GJ. Reject. Do do do. I just hate when it doesn't have a top wick. It's like, make the top wick! Make the top wick and flip! The risk of the 30 minute hope it holds. Ah, so you're having your stop loss maybe a little bit lower. Yeah. One hour gonna close. Oh yeah, the 1 hour's gonna close. And I'm out. Snitty. Yeah. You know the skin of my teeth. There's the lower wick. Yeah, I got it maybe a little bit lower. Some people might have got break even there, but I'm just in with the skin of my teeth. Push, you prick. If it re-breaks that low, I'm out. Break even hit, break even hit. Some people got break even. I'm lucky enough to be in still. Push, 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 push. Hate it when that happens. Ah, it's all good, man. Good managing risk. Really, really solid work there. Continue, you prick. My entry was at 1981.61, and I didn't put my stop loss a little bit in profit, so it's still should be okay. I took TP at 1983. Very good, very good. That angers me. I know. It's just one of them things. Don't worry about it though, brother. So I took break-even and flew. Yeah, just a little wicker than you hourly, you know. So still hasn't pushed yet though, so don't you worry. GJ, what a rocket, eh? God dang. What price is my break-even? 1981 at 6.2. So it was fucking close. So yeah, I just want to let this rock over here to 1895. That would be great for moi. $1981.919 was mine, but my stop loss on the previous lower wick. Fair dues, fair dues. Yeah, I would say now, you know, if you're not a break even yet, I'd go break even. I think, you know, it's come towards traffic. You just want this to really fill the zone if it has enough volume. If not, just take the break even. So let's do a little wordle here while I wait for TP or break even. Let's continue. Oh my god. Are they yellow or green? I think they're yellow. Oh, the T's there though. Ah, it's close, Danny boy. You know, not close enough. It's looking like I'm gonna get break even anyway, so it's all good. Ratio is a good one. Oh my fucking god! Please, do you see? Right, I need to stop looking at the chat because you donuts keep on giving me the fucking answer. So what am I going to wait for later on? Well, depending on the rejection here, obviously buys above 1985, I'll wait for. Sells below 1974. GJ buys above 519, potentially in the next session. Would I take it now? No, because we haven't had any retracement yet. And it's coming towards the gap. The gap can be low volume, so I'll wait until there later on. And yeah. Let's take a look at the 5. Goes bullish. Fill that with pussy. If it breaks that low, I'm doomed. You don't hit your break even? No. You need to remember though, when I click the button and I clicked it maybe what, a second after I put the signal out, so the discrepancy there is kept us in, but no. Just how it is. But yeah, I mean, for me here, you know, how beautiful. Max, you should put break even in the journal, to be honest. I will. Don't worry about that, I will. But in terms of, you know, my psychology in that, everything was beautiful. Just don't worry about it too much. You know, managing on the 15 when the 30 still closed bullish, the bearish still closed above, the hourly time frame still closed above, was just making the lower wick. It's still all, you know, decent. See you later, Denisa. See you later, brother. 111 likes today. Amazing work. Amazing. Break even at 1980.06. So let's just round this off with a game of chess over here. A game of le chess. Finish this beautiful day off. In terms of gold, I wanted the volume to be at 8 o'clock. It decided not to, and I decided to range for a little while. Finally kicked in, but yeah, I'm not holding that drawdown if we come back down, right? Came to the level that I wanted to, so that's fine. But he's just gonna kill my bishop, isn't he? I don't know. What? I have a tea, but I would like a coffee. What? I'm downstairs. Yes, please. Right. Right, guys, you're gonna hit break even in a second. There we go. Nearly there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Oh my god, it still hasn't hit me out yet. Oh my god, it's so close. Gotta reflip this 5. But, I mean, yeah, like I said, this is the perfect example of just not getting too emotional with it, you know? Not getting too emotional with it. Come on, boy. You sound like Don now. I'm still in it. Are you still in the trade? Yep. Don't think anyone else is. Will you try to re-enter? No, because for me, I wanted to get to this level. This is when it gets choppy. Okay, so we got to that, and I'm happy with it. After that, you know, I wanted price to push with volume, and we just didn't really get that. Yes, I am in. Oh, so a lot of people. So some people are still in. It's a what? Really? What, in there? I'll have a look at it. What, it's vibing? We still in? Oh, some people are still in. You guys getting the same entry as me then, probably. What you gonna do now, brother? So I think Dr. Dollar took this trade. His stop loss is maybe a little bit lower than mine. I think he got stopped out. So I'm kind of glad I moved mine to the whole zone, which is pretty cool. Come on, push. Are you Don student? Your trading style is the same. Donny Boy's my mate. I do copy him in a lot of things in terms of live streams, but for the most part, we trade very different. He uses like just 5 minutes now. I use just 30s and 15s, all these stuff. Push, fly. To the moon, yes. Okay, back into the highs now, which is good. Now fucking push. How would I do this? Yeah, that's a good point. Come on, brother. Come on. This is going to be a great Instagram clip as well this morning. Great Instagram clip. I'm doing the surprise attack move. Ah, you cunt. You summed up in this trade? Yes, stop loss matters. Exactly, brother. Oh, can you piss off? Stop loss matters is in the right place. I'll manage mainly on the 30 minutes, sometimes in the 15. For me here, we already came down to these lows and started rejecting, and we had such a big support, it was enough for me to hold it on. Okay, so can I do this move now? You what? It's what milk? Did you empty the milk out that was already in it? Thank God for that. Oh, I'm wiping him out. Well, I'm already stopped out. I'll catch you tomorrow on stream. Max, see you later, Jay boys. See you later. See you later. Oh man, we just dominated him. Shit, yeah, he can do the same thing, can't he? Shit. What should I do? Should I defend? Should I move that there? Or just go and kill? Oh shit! Why did you guys? Oh my god. I can't believe you didn't see that. So Goldie over here is coming up. This guy, fuck off. Oh, now he's gonna kill me. No, why did I do that? I'm looking at my gold, man. Fuck's sake, sorry. Well, shit. Pretty much donezo now. Right, I'm gonna take this L, I think, on the chin. What are your spreads? 1 pip. Goldie. Right, do you know what? This is taking quite a long time. Let's take a look at the 30. Go on, push a little bit further, my man. Run! GJ took off. It's good stuff, good stuff. No low work on that one, but did push. Very nice. Look on the bright side, I prefer bigger than a -1.2. Exactly. Don't worry about it, man. It's just trading. It's just trading, bro. Just take your trades. You shouldn't get vexed. You know, if you got stopped out there, break even, that's fine. I think pretty much 90% of people did. The only reason why I probably didn't is because I clicked the button before I said I'm in. And I think, to be honest with you, yeah, I'm still gonna hold this a little bit. Gonna hold till 85. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I'm gonna leave it off over here. In terms of GJ, yeah, as I say, I want some sort of retracement for then the buys later on. Obviously, this has been extended, good stuff. It can still continue, but I don't want to be caught out in the retracement. Okay. So yeah. In terms of my trade, yeah, only up like 60 pips. Stop loss is 40, so I want a bit more out of this zone. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Thank you so much. Thank you for the Don trade. Oh my god. Mate, it was beautiful. It was played out exactly how he wanted to. Maybe not exactly, but very, very close to. Got to my levels, which I'm happy with. Just had to keep a little bit of a drawdown for the time being. But as I say, stop getting stressed over it. If you can't take drawdown, then trading is probably not for you. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. We'll see what we can get in NY session. And peace out, squad. Thank you so much. See you later. See you later. Adios. We got simulations today. We got lots of stuff going on. So we'll see you guys then. Peace out. Zoom. Adios. Adios. That was my biggest Zoom ever. 60 people. Amazing. Thank you so much, YouTube, for coming on. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, last month 70% win rate, 12% gained. You get NY session as well in the Zoom chat. You get webinars every week. You get simulations every week. You get homework every bi-weekly. So you know where to join. There's the link there. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Adios. Adios, amigos.